Want to make your woodworking smarter, cleaner, and way more precise? Today, we're diving into 12 insanely useful woodworking tools you can grab right now on Amazon. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned craftsman, these gems are worth having in your workshop. Number 1. The Jorgensen No. 410 inches wood planer is a workhorse for anyone serious about shaping and smoothing wood. Its 01 tool steel blade is sharp, durable, and built for precision, perfect for trimming or leveling boards without constant sharpening. You can easily tweak the cutting depth with a simple knob turn, which gives you total control whether you're shaving slivers or tackling more aggressive passes. The ductile iron body feels solid and grounded in your hands, and the polished aluminum lever cap adds strength without extra weight. What really sets it apart is the ergonomic beechwood handle. It's smooth, comfortable, and holds up beautifully to long sessions in the shop. Whether you're refining edges or giving rough timber a clean finish, this planer glides across surfaces thanks to its polished flat sole. It's a blend of professional-grade power and comfort that makes every pass more satisfying and efficient. Number 2. Staying organized on the job just got a stylish upgrade. This handmade brown leather tool belt isn't just functional. It's built to handle serious work while looking great. Whether you're gardening, building, wiring, or crafting, it keeps your essentials secure and within arm's reach. 3 multi-use pockets, a pruner holster, and a rake holder mean your sharp or bulky tools won't end up buried at the bottom of a bag. The full-grain leather is rugged, softens with use, and molds beautifully to your body over time. It's thoughtfully designed to reduce injury risk too. No more scrambling for tools or accidental slips. The belt fits most body types comfortably, and its ergonomic fit means less strain through the day. From electricians to carpenters to urban gardeners, this pouch adds practicality and polish to your work routine. It's a great blend of hardworking utility and handcrafted charm, made to last and built for real-world use. Number 3. Installing cabinet hardware shouldn't feel like a guessing game. And that's exactly where the True Position Tools Pro Cabinet Hardware Jig comes in. Whether you're mounting pulls on flat panels or drilling into tricky shaker fronts, this jig helps you do it faster and more precisely. The shaker spacers are a clever touch, giving you rock-steady alignment on recessed fronts. Setup takes just a few seconds. Tighten the thumb screws, align your mark, and drill. No clamps, no guesswork, no wasted time. The adjustable template lets you repeat the setup for a whole kitchen without remeasuring each piece. Made with aerospace-level precision, the quality shows in every clean, even hole. You can also use it for hinge plates and shelf pinholes, so it's more than just a one-task tool. If you want your hardware dead on every time without stressing over measurements, this jig is absolutely worth the spot in your toolbox. Number 4. When it comes to making strong edge joints in woodworking, this Tool Cool self-centering dowel jig kit delivers clean results without the guesswork. Built from precision-machined aluminum alloy, it feels solid in the hand and holds tight without any wiggle. Thanks to its clever, self-centering design, you don't need to measure or adjust. Just clamp and go. The jig drills 3 evenly spaced holes in one go, which means your dowels align perfectly every time. It's compatible with 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8 inch pins, so you can take on different projects without switching jigs. The included brad point bits cut clean and accurate holes, and the steel bushings keep wear to a minimum. Brass depth collars give you control over hole depth, so there's no fear of over-drilling. Whether you're building furniture or doing joinery work, this jig makes doweling faster, easier, and more repeatable without compromising precision. Number 5. When sanding gets serious, this Toolant 400 grit sandpaper roll brings the kind of performance that makes a difference. With 20 yards of premium aluminum oxide material, it's designed to cut faster and last longer than typical sheets, making it perfect for a wide range of applications, including woodworking, metal, drywall, and fiberglass. The adhesive backing sticks tight to longboard sanders, blocks, and even hand tools, so there's no slipping mid-project. Each roll is 2 3/4 inches wide, with grit markings printed clearly on the back so you always know what you're working with. What makes it stand out is the electro-coated grit. It stays evenly distributed, resists clogging, and won't crumble or tear when you need smooth, consistent results. Whether you're prepping surfaces for paint or polishing edges to a smooth finish, this roll can be cut to any length you need. It's tough, versatile, and ready to tackle big jobs without breaking a sweat. Number 6. Don't let its size fool you. The Suizan Japanese folding saw is a compact powerhouse that fits in your pocket and slices through wood like butter. Whether you're pruning fruit trees, trimming lumber, or handling a DIY project on the fly, this little saw is ready for action. The razor-sharp blade, made from high-quality Japanese carbon steel, glides cleanly through wood with minimal effort, and you can adjust the blade angle for extra control depending on your task. At just over 4 ounces and a little more than 6 inches when folded, it's perfect for tossing in your gardening kit, tool bag, or even your camping gear. The sleek tooth design makes every pull stroke efficient, smooth, and satisfying. It's one of those tools you'll end up using more than you expect. Easy to carry, versatile to use, and dependable when it counts, whether you're working in the yard or building something great from scratch. Number 7. If you're into shaping or carving wood with power tools, this Palmsare Sphere rotary burr is a serious game changer. Designed to fit standard 4.5 or 5-inch angle grinders with 5/8 11 threads, it attaches directly. No adapter, no hassle. The ball gouge style head is packed with aggressive burrs that quickly chew through wood, whether you're roughing out a big chunk or smoothing out contours. It handles both wet and dry wood effortlessly, while still giving you a cleaner finish than you'd expect from something this powerful. The steel construction holds up well over time, resisting wear even on dense woods like beech or softer ones like pine. Whether you're crafting a spoon, hollowing out a bowl, or sculpting tree faces for yard art, this tool makes freehand carving fast and fluid. It's easy to control, incredibly effective, and turns your angle grinder into a precision carving beast. Number 8. If precision is your thing, the Hardell 6-inch digital caliper is going to feel like an upgrade from the moment you pick it up. It's built from stainless steel, so it's way more durable than those plastic ones, and still lightweight enough to use comfortably all day. The large LCD screen makes it super easy to read measurements, even when the light isn't perfect. Switching between inches and millimeters is just a button press away, and the thumb roller ensures smooth, accurate adjustments without slips. With jaws and a probe for measuring inside, outside, depth, and step dimensions, it's ready for just about any task you throw at it. Whether you're a jeweler working on tiny components or a mechanic checking tolerances, it's built to deliver with consistency. Plus, it comes in a tough little box with extra batteries, just in case. It's one of those tools that quickly becomes a go-to, no matter what you're building. Number 9. Whether you're working with lumber, flooring, or inspecting for water damage, the Tesman TWM 186 makes it easy to get fast, reliable moisture readings. This pocket-sized moisture meter looks like a pen but works like a pro, featuring 2 sharp pins that give precise results in seconds. Just press, read, and go. It's designed for use on a range of woods like oak, cedar, and birch, as well as materials like drywall and brick. With 7 built-in calibration scales and 2 operating modes, it's surprisingly versatile for its size. The display gives a clear percentage reading, and the color-coded screen helps you instantly gauge moisture levels. Green for good, red for trouble. It even has auto shut-off to save battery, and a handy data hold feature that locks readings in place while you work. If you're in construction, woodworking, or home repairs, this compact tester is a smart, on-the-go problem solver. Number 10. Whether you're gluing up a small box or doing light-duty assembly, these 6-inch WorkPro mini bar clamps are surprisingly handy. They come in a set of 2 and quickly convert to spreaders with a simple screw flip. Just reverse the head, and you're good to go up to 9.5 inches. The quick-release latch makes setup and takedown fast, and if you need to reposition mid-project, it's a breeze. The non-marring pads give solid grip without leaving marks, and their larger surface area helps distribute pressure evenly so your workpiece stays put. Despite being light in the hand, each clamp can hold up to 50 pounds, pretty impressive for their size. The rail feels stable, and the screw handle has a nice grip for tightening down confidently. Great for woodworking, DIY fixes, or just holding something still while the glue dries. They're a solid little upgrade that always finds a place on the bench. Number 11. Getting perfect rounded corners on wood projects just got easier with the Nitro Router Corner Radius template. Made from durable yet lightweight aluminum alloy, this compact jig gives you clean, consistent curves every time. No measuring, guessing, or wobbling. Whether you're shaping cabinet doors, furniture edges, or DIY decor, the 8 different radius options, from R10 to R50, make it easy to find just the right profile. The best part? You can switch sizes in seconds and still get the same smooth cut. It's small enough to toss into your tool bag, but solid enough to last through repeated use without bending or chipping. The design keeps your router bits steady, making routing curved corners feel more like a guided motion than a nerve-wracking freestyle. If you're into detail work that looks polished and professional, this tool makes clean corners not just possible, but easy. Number 12. When it comes to precision joinery, this dovetail marker takes out the guesswork and delivers spot-on layout lines every time. Designed for both softwood and hardwood projects, it features 4 slope options, 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 8, and 110, so you can match the joint to your material and style. It's machined from solid aluminum and finished with sleek red and black anodizing, giving it a rugged build and sharp look. The extra-large body and ergonomic design help it sit firmly against the wood, so your marking stays steady and accurate. Double-sided imperial measurements make it easy to read from either angle, and the long legs give excellent registration for repeatable results. Whether you're hand-cutting dovetails for a fine drawer or adding detail to a keepsake box, this tool makes the setup quick and confidence-boosting. It's a must-have if you want clean, professional joints without the trial and error.